Boys and girls, today we're going to be creating some beautiful leaf rubbings. The first thing you're going to need to do is assemble your leaves so that the back spine and the veins are facing upward. Then cover your paper and you should be able to feel your leaves. Get a black crayon. If the paper's still on it, peel the paper off and gently rub the crayon. We're not drawing with a crayon. We're laying the crayon on its spine or on the side, and we're rubbing over to reveal the shape and the veins of the leaves below. Keep rubbing until you're sure that you have found all of your leaves. I picked 7, so I'm going to keep coloring until I have found all 7 of my leaves. You can always make them darker by pushing harder. You can make them lighter by not pushing as hard. When you're done, please put your leaves to the side. You can throw them away. Next, you're going to go and collect the markers that you're going to be using. I would get a range of both warm colors and cool colors. I would avoid black and brown. Then decide which leaf you want to start on, and I would do each leaf a warm color or a mixture of cool colors. So as you can see with this first leaf, I'm starting with yellow and green, and I'm going to transition into a turquoise or a blue, and keeping the range of warm and cool colors separate. You won't see any orange or any red or any purple since I have yellow, green, and blue in there. Be careful to not go outside of your line. You want to trace the shape of that, and then also the veins. If you want to follow the pattern of the veins, you'll see some of the best technique. Okay, so next on this leaf I'm doing a range of warm colors. I'm combining both orange and purple together. Now I definitely could have put red in there, but orange and purple work. In this next leaf, I'm combining blue and purple together. They are next to each other on the color wheel, so it's okay. Since they are touching each other on the color wheel, they work well. Those are called analogous colors. Analogous colors stand next to each other on the color wheel. For my next leaf, I'm going to try some cool colors, mixing some blue and some green. And now I'm going to go back to warm colors, doing some orange and some yellow. It would just be great if you had a variety where every leaf has a different pattern or different mixture of colors. Outlining the veins of the leaf will really give it a really neat look when you're done, when you've done your last step. Now, if you decided that one of your leaves just didn't come out the way you wanted it to, it's okay. You have several more leaves, and you may even have time to go back and re-rub another leaf to fix any mistakes that you made. Okay, so once you are completely done with your markers, you're going to put them to the side, and then you're going to get your cup of water with a paintbrush. Now, just like you'd be painting with watercolor, you're going to be painting and activating the watercolor marker. So I'm just gently rubbing over the inks. The yellow, the green, and the blue are mixing together, and it's just creating a very light mixture here. Your colors are not going to jump out like regular watercolor because you're using markers, but you're just creating a nice blended look. Go ahead and paint over all of your leaves, being sure to go careful and not leaving any area unpainted. When you are all finished, please put all your materials away. The markers go back neatly into the same basket you found them in. Your water can be left in the middle of the table for the next group that's going to be using it, and paintbrushes can be left. Please put your name on your paper. Whether you use marker or crayon, you need to have your name on that paper so that it doesn't get lost in the mix.